bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.
To change the concept that act of worship is fasting, is prayer, is qiyamul layl, is reading Quran, those for sure. But what about the people who don't have time and Allah gave them the 3 and the 4 children, or gave them the job which is 12 hours? Where is their spiritual connections here? Because that's how it is. We are always, should be, always connected with Allah. It only depends where He put us. As I think Imam Ibn Ata used to say, قومي حيث أقامك الله, or stand up where Allah put you. So He put me as a mother with 5 children in the house, and I'm taking care of their need from morning to evening. Look at it as this is your ibadah. This is your act of worship. You're going to turn to Allah and says, Alhamdulillah, I have children. Alhamdulillah, there's food, I can feed them. Alhamdulillah, the time I am using to prepare for them food, Allah will reward me. It's not only if I am alone. In taking care of your family in the house, there is no disobedience to Allah. I could be working outside and Allah knows how much disobedience around me. But when I am in the house, taking care of my family, my spouse, my children, my house, even taking care of my yard, all these, change them to an act of worship. They are pleasing to Allah. Your niyyah to please Allah. Don't expect any gratefulness or gratitude from people, only from Him. And now you are spiritually connected.